Okay, student, today we'll start the JEE main question 2021. JEE main question 2021 single correct answer type. Okay, the population P is equal to P of a T at time T of a certain specs follows the different equation dP by dt is equal to 0.5 P minus 450. If P naught minus 850, then P naught is equal to 850, then the time at which population becomes 0. That means dP by dt is equal to 0.5 P minus 450. So dP by dt is equal to, first we will convert this 0.5 P to this P because it is given the value of P is equal to P of T. So that's why we will multiply 2 in both numerator as well as the denominator. 2 into 0.5 P, it will become P minus 2 into 450 is 900 by 2. That means dP of T by dt is equal to P minus 900 by 2. That means by variable separation method, dP by P minus 900 is equal to dt by 2. Because P will go to the, because P will the function is P, so that's why the denominator will become P minus 900 and it will become dt by 2. Then integrating both sides, so dP by P minus 900 is equal to dt by 2, but here the limit is from 0 to t and here limit is from 0 to t. That means dP by P is ln P minus 900 and it varies from 0 to t is equal to half of dt integration is t and the limit is from 0 to t. First we will take upper limit ln P of t minus 900 minus ln, then we will put to lower limit ln 0, that means P of 0 minus 900 is equal to half. First we will take upper limit minus lower limit, half t minus 0. ln P of t minus 900 minus ln P of 0 is 850 given in the question. So in place of a P of 0 we will take 850 minus 900. 850 minus 900 is minus 50, minus 50 modulus is plus 50. So ln A minus ln B is equal to half of t. Let at t is equal to t1, P of t is equal to 0. ln A minus ln B is ln A by B. That means ln P of t minus 900 by 50 is equal to t1 by 2. In place of a P of t we will take 0. In the, it is given that value minus ln 50. That means ln 900 minus ln 50 is equal to t1 by 2. So t1 by 2 is equal to ln A minus ln B is ln A by B. That means ln 900 by 50 is ln 18. So t1 is equal to 2 ln 18. Number 2. Let f is a function from R to R be defined as a f of x is equal to 2x minus 1 and g is a function from R difference 1 to R be defined as g of x is equal to x minus 1 by 2 by x minus 1. Then the composition function f of g of x. So f of g of x is f of g of x value is given x minus 1 by 2 by x minus 1. So in place of g of x, we took this value x minus 1 by 2 by x minus 1. So f of x, what is the functions of the f of x? F of x is defined as a 2x minus 1. 2 into x, because in the function there is a x, so that's why we are taking 2 into x. So here we will take that 2 into x minus 1 by 2 by x minus 1 minus 1. When we will multiply 2, it will become 2x minus 1 by x minus 1 minus 1. Then we will take LCM. It will become 2x minus 1 minus x plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 will cancel. It will come 2x minus x is x, x by x minus 1. F of g of x is equal to, there was a f of x is equal to 2x minus 1. When it will go to that side, 2x will be f of x plus 1. That means it will become 1 plus x by x minus 1. That means it is 1 1 and into. So, but it is not on 2 because all the elements of the codomain are not involved here. If the tangent to the curve y is equal to xq at the point p t comma tq meets the curve again at a q, then the ordinate of the point which divides pq internally in the ratio 1:2, y is equal to xq. So first we will find out the slope of the tangent. dy by dx is equal to dx cube by dx, that means 3x square. So dy by dx at t comma t cube, that means in place of x we'll put this t, it will become 3t square. So equation of a tangent will be y minus y1 is equal to m whole into x minus x1, and y is equal to x cube given. So first we will solve these two equations to find the intersection point. So in place of y we will put this value, that means we will substitute x cube minus t cube is equal to 3t square whole into x minus t. A cube minus b cube formula is a minus b whole into a square plus ab plus b square divided by x minus t is equal to 3t square. Then now x minus t will cancel, x square plus xt plus t square minus 3t square is equal to 0. That means x square plus xt minus 2t square is equal to 0. So it became x square plus 2xt minus xt minus 2t square is equal to 0. Then because 2xt minus xt is equal to xt, 2xt into minus xt is minus 2t square x square. Then we will take common x from first two element, it will become x plus 2t. Then when we will take common minus t, it will become x plus t, x plus 2t. Okay. Then from the whole we will take common x plus 2t, it will become x minus t. Multiplication of two terms is 0. Either first one is 0 or second one is 0. That means x plus 2t is equal to 0 or x plus t is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 2t or x is equal to t. So the coordinates of the point P, point Q is, first one will be minus 2t and second one will be its cube, that means minus 2t the whole cube is minus 8 cube. So the ordinate will be, what is the formula of the ordinate? my2, ordinate means y coordinate, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. M is 1 into y2 is minus 8 cube, 8t cube plus n, that means 2 into y1 is t cube, that given in the coordinate of the p, minus 8 cube plus 2t cube by 3, that means it will become minus 6t cube by 3, that means it will be minus a 2t cube. Okay. Now we'll go to the second, the locus of the midpoint of the line segment joining the focus of the parabola y square is equal to 4x to a moving point of the parabola is another parabola is locus of the midpoint. That means we will find out the path of the midpoint of the line segment that joining the focus of the parabola y square is equal to 4x. The power of y is even, that means it is symmetric about the x-axis origin, and here focus will be a comma 0. Okay. The locus of the midpoint of the line segment joining the focus of the parabola to a moving point of the parabola, that means this is the moving point of the parabola, P point, then this is the focus, its midpoint is this one, that means M, whose coordinate is h comma k. Joining the focus of the parabola y square is equal to 4x to a moving point of the parabola is another parabola whose vertex is, we will find out whose directrix is, here M is the midpoint, coordinate of a P is, coordinates of a P is, suppose coordinates of P is x comma y, that means h is equal to a plus x by 2 and k is equal to 0 plus y by 2. So that's why it will become x is equal to 2h minus a and y is equal to 2k. Okay, so therefore locus of h comma k, locus of h comma k is y square is equal to a whole into 2h minus k, sorry 2h minus a, then by taking common 2 it will be 2a whole into h minus a by 2. So therefore its directrix is h minus h, here h is x minus a by 2 is equal to minus a by 2. That means a minus a by 2 cancel, so x is equal to 0. Okay.